What's the meaning of crybaby? Crybaby. Crybaby.
Crybaby. Crybaby. Crybaby is a term used to describe someone, often a child or young person, who cries excessively and easily, especially in situations that may not warrant tears. The term can also be used as an insult, implying weakness or a lack of emotional resilience. It is often associated with negative connotations such as timidity, immaturity, and an inability to cope with adversity. However, it is important to remember that crying is a natural response to emotions and does not necessarily indicate weakness.